To some sad news. More human body parts have been today discovered dumped in different parts of Nairobi as the number of cases of femicide continues to rise. The lower body parts suspected to belong to a woman dismembered and stashed in a sack were found dumped along River Mathare near Riverside Mathare Bridge as residents decry the runaway insecurity. Here is Catherine Imuraget with more.
Lower parts of a dismembered human body believed to be that of a woman has been discovered dumped in a sack along the Mathare River near the Riverside Mathare Bridge in Nairobi. The body parts found by a street child searching for valuables in the river debris early Saturday morning has been moved to Nairobi Funeral Home by police.
Tunakataa na uchungu kabisa, we are too painful. We need the government to recognize wenye wanafanya hii kazi.
Na si wanaume wenzangu, tujaribu kulea wanawake, tusiwaue kwa sababu hawa sisi pia tunawahitaji. Sasa ni kitendo cha unyama, kama mwanaume anaweza kata mwanamke kama mtu anakata nyama. It is very painful.
Meanwhile, 3 other female bodies have been recovered today in Kosovo, Kariobangi and Kiambu. Elsewhere, over 50 residents of Mieraho Njataini in Kasarani area here in Nairobi are living in fear after they were attacked last night by a unknown group of assailants armed with pangas and other crude weapons. According to the residents, they called for help during the attack, but the police officers were allegedly withdrawn by their superiors early this morning.
Maaskari walikuwa wako deployed na OCPD wa Kasarani, baadaye akakuja akawithdraw. Na hiyo katika hali ya withdraw maaskari sasa imetupea pia mashaka. Tunaishi tunakaa na wasiwasi.
The residents are now questioning why the police have failed to provide security, expressing fears of another planned attack later this evening.
Kuna watu already wamesha surround, wanataka kuvamia majira ya saa moja. So, tungeomba serikali usaidizi wao. Sijui wanangoja watu wakufe ndio watume walete usaidizi ama tuelewe shida ni gani.
Our attempts to reach the Kasarani OSPD for comment were unsuccessful, as both the OSPD and the DCIO were reportedly not in office. Catherine Imuraget, KTN, Nairobi.